All right, we're here at the start of the New York City High Line. This used to be a rail for trains that is above the city, about 2 to 3 stories high. And it used to be a freight train that passes through here, but now they've converted it into a park that goes about 1.5 miles that way. So we're gonna go explore this awesome High Line Park. Come join us. Here you can see the old remnants of the old rail line. They're just showing you how it used to be. It used to be overgrown. Now it's pretty landscape, pretty nice. The High Line was built in 1929, and like I said earlier, it was for freight trains to avoid the Manhattan streets because there wasn't a subway back then yet. In 1999, they stopped using it and they threatened it with demolition. The folks that lived around here voted to keep it up, and they wanted to preserve the structure and repurpose it to be a park like what it is today, and they did a really good job. It's a really beautiful park with some of the best views of Manhattan. They also have little shops here, like this one, where you can get a beer. They even got other stores like fruit stands, juice shacks, donut stands, empanada stands, gelato stands, and art stands. And this is the sunken overlook behind me where you can chill out and have like a little aquarium right over 10th Street. And you get a pretty cool view. I don't know what else to say. Yeah, you can chill out here, grab a bite, grab a drink, just watch the people underneath you. It's a bit hot today, so yeah, it's a good idea to bring a fan or something. Whoa, look at that building. Looks like it's in a sci-fi movie. Is that even real? Would you live in it? How much do you think the rent is up there? Up there's the Edge Observatory. It's pretty high. That weird looking building over there is the Shed, and it's a performing arts theater where they have all kinds of art installations from classical music all the way to modern art. So it's a new building and it lights up at night. Behind me is the awesome vessel. Look at that. It's New York's newest, most awesome landmark. And it's an art piece that you could actually go in, but unfortunately today it's closed. And there's 154 staircases that lead all the way up. You could go up there and have 360-degree views, I guess. But unfortunately we can't go today because it's closed. That's the end of the line of the High Line. And all in all, that was a pretty awesome use of something that they were going to tear down that old decrepit railway, but now they made it into an awesome park. They did an excellent job. That was a super fun park experience.
Click here for more adventures in the Big Apple. Thanks for joining us while we explore the New York High Line. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to see more Family Day Off. Ciao!